Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3530 Culver Road in beautiful Irondequoit.
This is an amazing arts and crafts style home loaded with character and charm.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the rich history of Rochester with charming craftsman homes. Featuring a traditional vestibule with original tile floors and gumwood trim. Open to a spacious living room with crown molding, built-ins with leaded glass, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to a gorgeous kitchen with wood cabinetry and an expansive breakfast bar. Overlooking the formal dining room with a picture window, all with backyard access. The first floor also features a den or office with a wall of windows, gumwood trim, and beautiful hardwood floors, and an enclosed porch to enjoy nature with a skylight. While the upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, a charming full bathroom, and a walk-up attic.
This is a very private backyard with a patio. Steps away are the hiking trails of Durandysman Park and Lake Ontario. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3530 Culver Road in Irondequoit.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!